Hey, this is Matt and Ellen here on Sparkle Farm. Ellen, for my birthday, got me the E-410. It's the Weber Genesis 2. So we're going to be putting this together today.
It's a little bigger than I thought it would be.
Yeah, it's a giant grill. It's more than I would have ever expected, but we're going to enjoy it. All right. Ooh, well, it says 2 people to move this thing.
I don't know if I count as the second person.
Because it's 190 pounds. This grill is definitely a lot bigger than I expected. So we're just going to follow the directions, and so it showed some sort of tarp or blanket down. So we just dropped a moving blanket down, and then we're going to go from there. See, definitely built. Not used. I'm just going to set everything kind of apart. Alright, so I'm just going to break the box open. Actually, we're just going to go get a razor blade. Alright, since I can't lift it myself, I'm going to cut the box open, and Sparkle's going to tell me what's next.
Put them aside.
Oh, this will probably help, taking all the grates and stuff out.
Feel a little less heavy.
They're all cast iron. Yeah, that'll do it.
Okay. And now we pull this out and put it on our moving blanket.
So this is heavy, this is big.
Yeah. Moral of the story.
What's next?
Alright, so we're starting at the bottom. We are looking for the axle, the pins, and the wheels. And then those will be going on very shortly on the side.
So they must be in that box?
That's what I'm thinking.
Always just I got it. Turn. Alright, well, give us a minute. We're gonna look for the other parts. Alright, so that took about 10 minutes to find that part.
Yeah, just so you know, it's not what
everything's-
you think it'll be.
Everything is really wrapped tight, and it doesn't seem like it all kind of jives together how they packaged it, so that was a little stressful. Alright, so did they go through the two sides? That looks like.
Yeah.
We're gonna look for more pieces. Alright, so it looks like a lot of screws are gonna be going in, so I got the impact out. Oh, I didn't know washers.
To install the bars that go on top.
On the bottom.
Yes, on the bottom.
Where were those? Are those wood or metal?
I'm not sure.
Alright, now we're going to pause again and find the parts. Alright, so you need to look through every single box. So we found all the bottom pieces.
They're all packed together in one box, which is helpful. You just got to figure out which box.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright, well this keeps getting heavier.
And I'm going to move you in closer to take a look at the frame now that it's pretty much assembled.
So we installed these side pieces, just 2 screws on either side, and there's a total of 4 of them to put on. Alright, so now that it's upright, we can start installing these pieces. You want to aim the camera down? A little more? Good. So these just seem to click in.
Is that one of the things? Okay, I'll get it for you. I think I know where it is.
No, it went down here.
Oh.
Alright, so I actually dropped a piece inside of it here. So I'm going to have to turn it upside down again to get that out. I don't know about the assembly of this.
Alright, got it.
Oh, more. And last one.
Alright.
Alright, what's next?
Okay. So at this point, we have assembled everything on the bottom, and we're ready to move to the actual grill. We are on step 13 of 25, so about halfway there. Okay, so now we're going to put in 2 screws on the back.
Do we have this on backwards?
I don't know.
Oh,
Okay,
no,
so
we're good, we're good.
Yeah, hold on. Let's
We're just
look at the
making sure we
wheels.
got it right.
Yeah, yeah, we got it.
Okay.
The little wheels are on the left. The big wheels are on the right. Okay, so tip: little wheels on the left, big wheels on the right when you put the top on.
Okay.
Okay.
So more screws in the back.
Yep.
Alright, so this is the amount of cardboard so far. Everything's wrapped. They did a nice job wrapping everything, but it's really hard to find everything. Alright, so this piece here is just this channel, and it just seems to fit over there. It just seems to be like a decorative cover piece. Alright, last stuff on this side, just some bumpers for your tank. Alright, what's next?
Okay, we're going to be putting on the side piece.
What does that one look like?
So it is over here. I know where this one is, I think.
right.
Yeah, that. That's what I was thinking of.
So there's some bumpers. A lot of plastic on everything. And these are, so what do we got here? So
Okay. So it's going to go on the big wheel side.
Yep.
And we're going to attach it with these brackets.
Alright, let me adjust the camera a little bit. Alright, let me trade sides with you.
So it just goes on those screws. They're already sticking out.
Alright, so this side piece mounts to here. Alright, Sparkle's gonna... Yeah, this is definitely a two-person job.
I'm just helping so that I can get dinner later. We've got some steaks to grill.
Alright, we're on.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright. It says do not remove bag.
Okay, we won't.
So, we won't. Okay.
Back again.
Looks like there's a tab that it slides into. That danger
Yeah.
sign should be.
I don't see the notches.
It looks like it should be covering up.
Right, but how does it hold in place?
So I think it actually,
Is this the right one?
I don't know, but you know what I'm saying? Like, I think it actually
This goes on the front.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it goes in between the two big wheels, but I think it goes on this side. Like this.
Yeah, that's what I had.
No, like this
Remember that?
or something.
Oh, yeah. Alright, Sparkle's right again. Okay, looks like it just kind of hugs the tank. Do they go from the inside or the outside? Next page.
Outside.
Outside in.
Yep, outside in.
Alright, so these plugs, you only really get like one shot with them. That's why we're double checking with the instructions. But it looks like the outside in.
Yeah, Yeah, the biggest thing we're learning putting this together is that you move around the grill a lot. So you don't finish one area and move on to the next. So just be prepared for that. Okay, so...
Yep. Oh. Alright, so these little clips hold all the wiring in here together. So I have 4.
Looks like, yep. 2 on.
What's next?
Okay,
We
these
did-
things.
You go inside?
We go inside.
Wow, take a look at the inside of this grill. This thing's massive. Alright, where do we start?
With these.
What are these called? Do they no names?
There's no names on any of these parts.
So it looks like there's 3, and there's notches on the inside here. Oop, there's 4.
Should be 3.
I have 4.
Okay.
Well, they fit.
Yeah, as long as they all fit. The picture may be wrong. Okay.
Alright, is there a front and back to these?
The notch goes in the back.
Alright. Where are we next?
Okay, so next we're gonna put on.
Our grates?
Yeah.
So these are big cast iron grates. So these will last forever. Ooh. Looks like we should have a couple more, one more of those. That goes slides in from the back, from the front. Yep, I got it. All right, so this big pan. Wowzers. And now we're the top rack here. I don't know, do we have any other parts left?
Just the grease tray.
I already dropped it in.
Perfect. So one thing in the instructions, the last step is to put this lid back on. We actually assembled the entire grill with the lid on. So it didn't seem to be in the way or prevent us from installing anything.
Can I see the picture of this?
Sure.
Okay.
Go.
It doesn't say. There's something else? Oh, the whole thing. So that's pretty sweet. It's for storage. And you lift it up.
And it locks in. Okay, now we got it.
Now we got it. So that permanently, well, you can move it wherever you need to. But, well, that is Sparkle and I assembling our new Weber grill with the copper top, and that's all the cardboard that it came with. So I still need to get a 7/16 wrench and tighten the side pieces here. Oh, all right. Well, it came with it. I didn't even know. All right. Well, I'm going to tighten those up right now, and we're going to take the rest of the plastic off the grill, and we're going to try and figure out the iGrill, but I have a feeling that's for another episode. All right. Thanks for tuning in. Every time we get something new on the farm, we're going to assemble it for you and show you what we're doing here on Sparkle Farm. Thanks for tuning in.
Thanks, bye.
Alright, so this is the resting home for the grill. It's pretty standard to light. You can almost, I don't know if you, I hope you heard it. But but let me show you the flame. It's pretty impressive. Ooh. So those are the 4 burners going strong. So thanks for tuning in. Took probably a solid hour and a half to install. It is way bigger than you think when you get it home. Happy with it so far. We're about to cook some steaks on it, and we'll show you what those look like. Alright, these are 2 steaks that we have tonight for dinner. Very excited about that. Yeah, they're gonna be, I'm just very excited about the whole grill in general. I grill pretty much all winter long. Alright, thanks for tuning in here at Sparkle Farm. This is one small project on our big project we just got done.